In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace object with Kling AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap an item in your photo, like changing a bag, a hat, or any visible object using Kling's simple image tools. First, open the Kling AI app in your browser. Give it a second to load and make sure you're signed in so your work saves properly. Once the interface appears, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Assets. This is where Kling keeps all the files you'll work with, so it's the best place to stay organized. Inside Assets, choose Uploads. This takes you to your personal upload area. Here's where you bring in the photo you want to edit. You can drag and drop your image or use the upload button, either works fine. For best results, use a clear, well-lit picture in a standard format like JPG or PNG, and aim for a reasonably high resolution so the replacement blends naturally. After the upload finishes, find the new file in your list and click on it. That opens the image within Kling so you can start setting up your edit. Next, click Set as Reference. Setting an image as a reference tells Kling, use this exact photo as the base and apply my instructions to it. This is crucial for object replacement because you're not generating a brand new scene. You're updating a specific picture. Now it's time to describe what you want to change. In the prompt field, type a clear instruction such as change the bag to a small black leather backpack while keeping the person's pose and lighting the same. The more specific you are about color, material, size, and style, the better Kling can match your vision. You can mention what should stay the same, background, pose, lighting, to preserve the photo's overall look. Choose the image ratio next. Pick a ratio that matches your original photo to avoid unexpected cropping or stretching. If your picture is more square, go with a square-like option. If it's wide, choose a landscape ratio that aligns closely with your source. Then select the number of outputs. More outputs give you more variations to compare, which is helpful when you want to pick the most seamless replacement. Keep in mind that generating extra options can take a bit longer. Finally, click Generate. Kling will process your request and render the edited results. When they appear, scan the outputs and look for clean edges, consistent lighting, and a replacement that feels natural within the scene. That's it. Your object is replaced and your image is ready to use.